Case of the People versus Martina Smith.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Raymond Cook for the people.
Good afternoon, man. Please sound the court. Kareem Johnson, appearing on behalf of Ms. Smith, who is approaching, standing to my immediate right.
Your name?
Martina Smith.
All right. I have before me a plea form. Plea form indicates that the defendant is going to be pleading to count 3, attempted resisting and obstructing an officer. That's a guilty plea to 1-year offense. Upon her successful plea, counts 1 and 2 would be dismissed. And
a routine courtroom call turns into a moment of accountability. A guilty plea, a serious charge, and a defendant forced to admit resistance. This is where words matter, and the record becomes permanent.
there's a sentence agreement of sentencing under HIDA. That's the court's full understanding.
That's correct, yeah.
It's ever sworn?
Raise your right hand. I was sworn to affirm the testimony about to give be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing. So begin.
Yes.
State your name, please.
Martina Smith.
Ma'am, it is this court's understanding that you are going to be pleading guilty to the charge of attempted resisting and obstructing a police officer.
Yeah.
That is a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 1 year incarceration and $1,000 fine plus court costs. You understand that? You understand also, ma'am, that while I'm taking your plea, I would not be your sentencing judge in this case, and that you would be sentenced before Judge Balvo or her successor in the 15th District Court. You understand that?
Yes.
Still wish to plead guilty?
Yes.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Now, you understand by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Yes.
You signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
Yes.
Any question about any of those rights? Please look at paragraph 5. You'll see a copy on the podium there. Those are your rights, which are part of a trial. You understand that by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up those rights as well as all the rights on that form.
Yes.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole?
No.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plead?
No.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No.
You're doing this voluntarily?
Yes.
Of your own free will?
Yes.
And because you believe that you're guilty of this offense? On the date of July 28th, 2025, at the location of 3205 Boardwalk, City of Ann Arbor, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, did you come into contact with officers from the Ann Arbor Police Department?
Yes.
And you'd admit they were in the lawful performance of their duties?
Yes.
How do you think you resisted and or obstructed them?
I didn't firmly put my arm behind my back.
Pardon?
I didn't firmly put my arm behind my back. Strangled.
Okay, so they were trying to arrest you
Yes.
and they told you to put your arms behind your back
Yes.
and you resisted doing that.
Yes.
All right. Young lady, if I accept your plea, between the time I accept your plea and the time of your sentencing, if you commit misconduct as defined by the Michigan court rules, you would not be entitled to any sentence evaluation or recommendation, and you would not be entitled to withdraw your plea. You understand that?
Yes.
All right. Counsel, are you aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
No, Your Honor.
And has the court complied with the court rule, and would it be proper to accept this defendant's?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, court will accept the defendant's plea. Guilty to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. Pre-sentence investigation and report is ordered at 15th District Court probation. Sentencing in this matter will be
January at 9 a.m. for Judge Bello.
January 20th, 2026, 9 a.m. before Judge Ralvo or her successor. We'll continue. Thank you.
Well, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Is that it, Mr. Johnson?
It is.
It is? Mr. Johnson, have a great New Year, sir.
Thank you too, Your Honor.
Well, answer from either side on what's happening on this one. This is holding. It is.
No.
This is Katie.
Oh, so we don't know.
This is Katie. This is Mr. Miller.
Okay. Oh, got it. Okay, you'll get that. This is.
That is Miss Rozmirski and Mr. Miller.
You know what we're doing on Riddle?
or standing before the court unable to proceed?
I was waiting to see if people had a witness, Your Honor.
John, have witness.
So it's amazing what conversation and talk will do. I'm just saying. What do I call that case?
Thank you.
See? I made your job easy today. I did. Just that's what my obligation in life is. Court does call the case. People versus William Riddle.
Katie, reserve speaker. The
Good afternoon, Your Honor. J. Grant Miller, P58658, on behalf of Mr. Riddle, who approaches the podium. Please state your name.
William Michael Riddle.
Thank you.
notice court is aware this time and date scheduled for preliminary examination. The people are unable to proceed this afternoon.
Your Honor, go ahead. In light of the people's position, we would move for dismissal without prejudice.
People being unable to proceed, this case is dismissed on defendant's motion. That's without prejudice. Right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
And Your Honor, Happy New Year to you and your staff. And I failed to say it the last time. I hope everybody had a very Merry Christmas.
Absolutely.
We were a little more pressed last time for time. Thank you, Your Honor.
I did because I stole all Alan's presents. I had a great Christmas. So the other one is a hold, and Ms. William Green's not in. I'm going to step off for a little bit and then come back. And I need to. Pardon?
She's ready and available.
She is ready and available. Oh, okay, that's fine. I'm just going to step off because I have to take a breath. Take a breath. And could I see you, counsel, back?
A guilty plea closes one door and opens another. In court, resistance becomes a record, not an excuse. Because once the judge accepts the plea, accountability is locked in.